Yeah, hello, good day. Yeah, I want to introduce the Lawpoint to you. It's actually a lawyer website. But one thing special about this is I've made it so much dynamic. So there are a lot of things you can actually do with it. Like you can see this track case. I'll show you how that works. But before I proceed, first, I'll come to the admin. Now, inside the admin, we have these site settings. Inside these site settings, we have the front end style. In the front end style, you can actually, currently we're using banner 1. Let's try out banner 2. Let me select and save. Since I've selected and saved it, you can see banner updated successfully. If I come back to the website and I reload, you can see it has a different design. Now this is the design too. So you can as well come and check out the design 3. Actually, it's not the whole design, it's actually the header and banner. So for design 3, I'll reload. You can see the look is now different. Now, you can still check out the design 4. Now, this is the last design. You can see it's actually different from the others. So I believe with this, you definitely find a design that will suit your requirement without needing to do a lot of coding behind. So let's go back with the design 1. So you can see how it looks. We have the about us services. Now everything has been well written. So modifying the content is not something you really have to do. So the whole content was carefully written to suit that of a layer website. But another thing, very importantly, this our theme is also very dynamic. These pictures here are actually AI generated. So you can actually come here, and that's in the admin, and come to the themes, and you can create team members. You can create team member, the name, the role, the biography, the image. If they have Facebook handle, Instagram, or email, you add everything here and you save. Then it appears there, and automatically that person will appear here. So here we have just 6 of them. Then for each one you click on, the description, or rather information about that person, actually appears. So you can as well come here in this plus icon and you can link to their social media pages, so you want to mail them. And now this is the contact us. You can actually fill this contact us form. I'll just fill it with something dummy. I'll just fill it with some dummy information. You can see the name, Kelsey Gilliam. So if you send the message, you can see your message has been sent. And from the admin dashboard, they come to contact message. They don't need to go to their email. From the contact message, they can actually see, you can see the name, Kelsey Gilliam. So the name has actually appeared. So the admin can actually read the message, the subject, and proceed with whatever they want to do with it. So everything is actually managed from the admin. Then moving forward, we still have the case. That's the contact us. We have the track case, which is the most vital here. So for the track case, every case, this is where cases are being created in the admin. You can see Lego cases. You can click here and add case, but we'll do that in a short moment. But first, let's track this case that is already created. So I'll copy this case and I'll bring it back here and I'll paste the case. After pasting the case, I click on search. Clicking on search, you can see information about the case. This is the name, the case code, then the client involved, the case type, the lawyer assigned, the status. You can see it's red. And if you change the status to, let's say for instance, you can still edit it if you want. Let's change the status to 1. Let's say it's a case you want. Then we save it. If I come back and reload here, you can see the status has changed to green. That is actually 1. This is the case ID, this is the hearing date, this is the description, and this is the view document. So the document can be the CTC, that is certified true copy in the court. So you can actually click it and actually view the document. So what we'll do now is that we'll create a new case. So we'll see exactly how it works. So I'll click on add case code. You can give it anything of your choice. You can give it title, criminal case. Let's say it's criminal case. Then the client name, I'll say the client is Paul Smith. The case type, it can be, let's just say it's criminal, so you can use anything you want. The lawyer assigned, let's say is Ben Sam. The case for now, let's say is in progress. The date of hearing, I'll just use this particular date. The description, I'll just use random information in order not to waste your time. Then document, I'll just select a document here and I'll save it. Now you can see case created successfully. Now this is the case. You can see it's in progress. So when I copy this case and I come to the front end, I click on case track, then I paste the case number. You can see the information. The client, Paul Smith, is a criminal case. The lawyer assigned, the status, the hearing date. Maybe this can be the next hearing date. Maybe I'll change it to that next hearing date. Then you can actually view the document. So this is the document. So this is exactly how the casing actually works. So it's something very simple. Another thing again, especially here, is that under the general settings, you can see all the information in the front end can actually be entered there. Even the address, you can actually use anything. You can enter everything from here. So no need of going to the site and start changing things. So everything you can actually do it from here. So in addition, that the logo can actually be changed from here. You can see this is the logo we're using currently. You can see the logo we're using. You can see it here. Now this is what we're using currently. You can actually change it. Then we have the front end style. The SMTP is not really, there's not much email sending on this particular script, but it's just there in case it needs to be enhanced. So if I come back to the home, if you scroll down, you see more information. Family law, criminal defense, so you can see everything. So the write-up here was craftily drafted. It was well drafted, so in order to suit that particular stuff you want it to be. So this is exactly what it is. So the rest is in your hand. If it's what you need, let me know, then you get it. Thank you very much.